the countless eons of the existence of humanity is trickled down into this one tiny little morsel of a moment. The release of the supreme SB Dunks. I'm going to try to cop as many as I can, but I'm going to jump over the computer and we are going to see what happens. Woo!
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
What a naive son of a bitch that guy was. The young, impressionable, happy, giddy, sweet, ready to take on the world me. The one that thought he had a chance. The one that thought that Supreme maybe liked him. Was that the me? That me? That's not this me. I'm not gonna say that it was bad, because I don't have to. It literally was the worst Supreme live cop of my life. The site didn't even load until like 3 minutes in for me. I have a video. Here, take a look at my pain. Just take a look at my pain. This is the real time. So we are damn near next to it. Try to do what I can. All the bots have seemed to be not doing well. SwiftSoul just did an update, so hopefully SwiftSoul figured out the problem. We are getting down to it. There is about 1 minute left. You'll notice that the life hasn't drained from my eyes quite yet. You'll notice I still have some sort of faith in humanity. I still believe that maybe anything is possible at this point. But then I get this feeling. Okay, I don't really get too nervous anymore about these, but I'm nervous on this one. I want to get some of these. This is going to be a disappointment. I'm about to get ready to start my SwiftSoul tasks here, and now I'm going to start refreshing. We're going to go manual here. I don't have an actual bot. Okay, I'm going to save you for having to watch this whole thing. This is me refreshing over and over and over and over and over again, thinking that for some reason it's going to load. When it finally loaded in, they were all 10.5s, that's all it said, but they were sold out. Look at me go. I am just staring at the screen like I just was a deer that got hit by a car, and I'm just staring into this headlights that just murdered me. That's kind of how the day went. I just kept going back and looking at other things that I missed. I just sat here for so long trying to get those dunks that everything else had sold out, and that was basically the day for me. I couldn't cop anything else. I didn't want to. I just didn't want to anymore after this. So yeah, it didn't go well. I just was like sitting there in shock, no idea what happened. I was ready, I was prepared, I had people running slots for me, I was going manual, it was nothing. I absolutely zeroed out. Obviously, I should have watched my own video on how to cop a dunk, because I didn't get one. I didn't get anything. And I just gave up after that, because I just don't think that I could have stomached having a package come in from week 2. I'd see it, I'd open it, and I'd look at that item and I'd go, "You're not a dunk. Get out of my house." It was a wreck, but so whatever. I mean, it is what it is. I'm going to turn a negative into a positive, and I'm just going to do an unboxing, because I got all of my week 1 stuff here, so I'm going to roll an unboxing into this, at least give you guys something to just watch, at least. So this is one of the boards that I got from week 1. They finally shipped. I was actually able to cop a cause deck on a restock, so I will have a cause deck coming in eventually, but it takes them forever to ship to LA. So let me get this open. Let's see which one this is. Yeah! I've been watching that samurai documentary on Netflix. It's flipping amazing. So I'm like in real samurai mode. If you have one of these, you have to watch this knife, because if you don't lock it, it will cut you. It is extra sharp. All right. You've seen it before me? Okay, yeah, here's the Bowery deck. I think this is really cool. Just classic, the old classic shop. It'll go nicely with the aerial deck I have up here. I'll have to figure out a place to put it. But yeah, I'm just going to hold on to these for a while. I love the decks. It's like artwork. They call this the Buble.
Oh my god!
And 2 box logos. I mean, they usually don't even put stickers in there anymore, so there you go. This one should be the stickers board. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's cool. Both sides are completely done up with stickers. It's all the old stuff. Look, you got Bruce Lee sitting right there, gonna kick your ass. Front side is definitely where it's at. You have I don't know if you can see, there's the taxi driver sticker. I really think this one has some potential down the road. Both sides are completely different stickers. And these are all old classic Supreme designs and stickers. Just put on the board. So yeah, these two are really nice. The problem is I have all my decks are sit this way, so right now I have to figure out how to set them up this way to get these two to display. But 1% problems, I guess. Anything else in here? See, they didn't put stickers in this one. That's rare to get actual box logos inside of one of those skateboards. And now they charge, they charge $14 for the skateboards now. But we did get some more buble. Buble. When you get skateboards, you always want a fresh can of buble. Oh, this is different. This is not Supreme. So Carpet did a raffle for the dunks on their website, and the only way to get into the raffle was to buy stuff. And I actually went on the site, and I really liked one of the items, so I bought it to get raffles. No idea if they ever ran that raffle yet. They were supposed to. I have no idea. If you know if they actually ran the Carpet raffle, let me know for the Carpet dunks. But I went ahead and got this guy. It's a Carpet crew neck. Here, let me open this up, though. I want to show you what's so cool about this one. I broke it, but their packages are really cool. Like, they have little Ziplocs on it. Their bag has all the branding on it. I think they do a really nice job with their stuff. Carpet is definitely an up-and-coming company. This is the Carpet crew neck. It is Carpet written on, see how that's an actual carpet. The material that it's made out of is also like a woven carpet material. It's very soft. Wow, this is very nice. This thing feels really nice. I'm probably gonna like wearing it.
Nice.
The back also has just a huge Carpet logo on it. That's just printed. Quite honestly, the quality on this is one of the nicest crew necks I've ever had in my hand, so hats off to the Carpet company. Pay attention to them too, because I believe that they're going to have some SB Dunk merch coming out to go along with the Carpet Dunks. This was just from their own collection, but they will be doing a clothing collection to go along with the Carpet SP Dunk that will be releasing in the next week or so. Alright, we got a box. I'm going to open it. I'm telling you, that samurai documentary, you guys need to watch it if you haven't. Nobunaga, that's the guy. That's my jam. All right. Oh, look at that. We got paper, guys. Should we quit here? Forget it. We don't want to see nothing else. See you later. No. Okay, we got... These are Lewis's. I got a friend of the channel, Lewis. He got himself his whole stack right over here. I've got his stack of stuff. Oh, it's right here. Oh, yeah. This is just some week one bricklaying. We got the water bottle. I mean, it's pretty nice. It's a water bottle. Does this have like a filter on it or something? I don't really understand what that is down there. I have no idea why this comes out and the inner ring is hollow. Does it keep it cold or something? I'm obviously a water bottle noob. I've never seen this before, and now I think I've broke it beyond repair. Okay. This is one of the better water bottles. I mean, it just looks nice. It's actually usable. Some more buble. Always. At least we got buble. We're gonna have to give some of that away. Another set of dice. These are awesome. I love these. I'm gonna put them with my other set of dice. I showed off the dice in the week one video already, and then I made a mistake and I have small. I was actually gonna use these for myself because I liked the purple shirts, but your boy ended up with small. Yeah, so it is what it is. We got the smalls. It's free shipping game. This cart was part of the skateboards. They just shipped the boards separately. Okay, so next. What's funny is I don't even know where the third box came from. So I have two more boxes. Another one just like this. So it'll be a surprise. I'm sure it's just hats and whatnot. I didn't really do a lot online, but I haven't. There's some of these items that I definitely didn't get in store. 0 stickers in this box. There were 0 stickers. I mean, that's crazy. I've never had that before. That's the first time ever.
I don't care.
0 stickers in a regular box. Supreme, you charge me you're charging $14 for shipping on the damn skateboards now. Paper! Alright, we have this is the Corduroy 6-panel S logo hat. It is a very nice 6-panel hat, actually. I dig this one. I definitely recommend these. I love these 6 panels. This is actually my favorite type of 6 panel that they make. I'm not a huge corduroy fan, but it is very, very fine corduroy, if you can see. It is very, very fine. Has the nice Supreme tag on the back. Okay, next is a wash twill Chino Camp Cap. Oops, that one's half open already. Yep. Put that down here. Okay. Again, not a bad camp cap. Again, I'm not a fan of these. You have to have a decent-sized cabeza for these to actually work. Can't go wrong with black camp caps. Just a regular script beanie. I'm not going to take that out. It's just a beanie. Yes, this is the one that I didn't remember buying. Okay, this has a water gun tee, black, but in medium. I don't remember buying this cart at all, but it showed up. Black and medium. Obviously I did. It's my kind of stuff, but I don't remember buying it.
Surprise, motherfucker!
I never got any notifications for this cart. That's what I mean. Yeah, and this one. I had no idea. A black mouse tee. I said I wanted to get stuff that wasn't black, and I ended up with a black mouse tee. Out of all things. Oh my god. They are so stingy with the stickers today. Look at that. That's all. 2 box logos, and at least I got some more Buble.
Say your grace, ho!
Yeah, so just 2 box logo stickers. This is getting bad. Last but not least, this is a Gore-Tex Long Bill Stickers hat. I just really like the idea of this hat, all the different branding on it. What do you think? But honestly, like, it kind of, I don't hate it. I mean, that's weird. This long brim is weird. I don't know. What do you think? Think this looks good, or is this a brick?
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, give me back my Stone Island hat. And another box bites the dust. I have one more, and sadly, I think this one's gonna have a lot of the same stuff. Looks like another set of, oh, okay. We got us a champion hat. So this is the navy. Okay, so I have the navy. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. I have the black one right here. It's this world famous hat, but in navy, fitted new era hat. I'm not gonna take this one out of the bag since I have 2 of them right here. I have this one and the pink one behind me. Not bad. I like these. These suckers go up over time, so these are kind of a hold that you just do. You can do one of these 2. Set you right here. And you forget about him, and then you're going to look up prices on hats in a year, and you're going to go, what? I should sell this.
Oh, I won't let you go.
Another camp cap that we just looked at. Another one of these, so definitely need to keep one now, right? Oh, and okay, so the pattern on all of them is completely different. So each one of these hats is going to be unique to itself. Let's compare these. You guys tell me. You guys give me which one, A or B, looks better overall. Well, I think it's really cool that each of these is basically a unique little snowflake onto themselves. They're definitely very busy, so it is what it is. And another S logo. I told you it's going to be the same. Another S logo black corduroy hat. Can never have enough black hats. I thought that I could have enough black hats, but I'm serious. What you do with these hats, go to eBay, put the hat up for $100, and if somebody offers you $80, have a good day with it. I sell hats and shoes way more on eBay than I do on StockX. And another exactly the same colored brick beanie. Absolutely stonewalled with stickers. But we did get one final Buble.
Got him!
But you know what? It doesn't make me feel better. I'm not happy about this morning. Sneakers gives me an L right in the beginning of the day, and then Supreme does what it does to me. I'm beaten, I'm torn. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna have to sit here and cry my eyes out like a little baby, like a tiny little genderless baby, because I don't want to gender shame anyone here. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. Today was too hard. This is it. I can't be here. No.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in